So this is lab number 10, electrochemistry, and today we're gonna be testing how galvanic cell works. So for this experiment, we need a voltmeter, and the first part, we're gonna be measuring the electricity through the batteries. So here I have 3 batteries, and we're gonna be measuring. So the big one, this one, is supposed to have 9 volts, and the little ones, they're supposed to have 1.5 volts. So let's see how this battery works. This one is supposed to be new because although I bought it like 2 years ago, we have never used it. So I don't know if this battery is new, but I don't know if it will be full. So we want to be testing it. So let's check. So here, so we have a negative, so we have to change the leaves. So now we have 0.65. So this battery, first battery, is almost gone. So 0.65 volt only. So I've never have used this battery before. So it's supposed to be new, but probably the time without using it. So the first one, we have the first one. We want to be measuring the second one and the third one. So here we are with the other two. We have here, let me check. 1.36, battery 2, 1.36 for this one, and the other one 1.36 too. It makes sense because these two batteries is what I use for my TV control. So battery 3, 1.36 volts. So the other part of this experiment is about fruits. So we can use some fruits in order to make like inexpensive or natural batteries. So here we have lime, we have lemon, and we have a grapefruit. So what we are going to be doing right now is we are going to place, we have these two electrodes. We have the aluminum electrode and copper electrode. So as the instructions say, so the first thing that we have to do is to put the aluminum electrode in one section of the fruit. So we want to be introducing it right here. And the other instruction says, put the copper electrode into the same section. So we want to be trying not to, so we have it here. And cannot let them touch each other. So now we'll be measuring the voltage by placing the leads on one each electrode. So let's put this one over here and let's put this one over here. And we are having some activity here. So we have 1.05 volts. In the grapefruit, we have 1.35 volts. And now we are going to do the other part that it says put the copper electrode into a different section of the fruits of the fruit. So we want to be taking this out, putting over here, and now we're going to measure it again. So we have 1 volt even, 1.00. So the second measuring is 1.00 volt. And we'll be repeating this experiment with the lime and with the lemon. So we are done with the grapefruit. Now we will do the lemon. So grapefruit, lemon. Let's see how we can do this in the same section, of the fruit. Oops, we have a negative number, so we have to switch the leads. Oops, we have to switch the leads. So something is wrong here. Let me see if I can. There's something wrong. Let me see if I can. Maybe they are touching each other, so let me see if I can. Yeah, we have 0.78 for the first lecture, 0.78. Now we want to be placing the copper in other section of the lemon. We want to be measuring it. We have it here. We have it here. So okay. So now let's see. So we have 0.66. 0.66 volt. Now the last part of this experiment, we're going to be measuring the electricity through the line. Let's see if I can clean this up. I'm cleaning these 2 electrodes up. And now we're going to be testing the line in the same section. touching each other, so we're gonna try to not to. Okay, so we have here 0.71 for line. 0.71 in the same section. So now we want to put the copper in a different section. And we want to be measuring. So, okay. Oops, negative. So we're going to have to switch it. So we have 0.67 0.67 volt. So, well, that's it for this experiment. This experiment has shown how all these fruits can conduct the electricity. So, thank you.